today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes, and today's practical is the study of the longitudinal section of cone of the genus Equisetum. Equisetum, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see what we have to do in the practical. Requirement of the practical: we need permanent slide of longitudinal section of Equisetum cone and the microscope. The cone is also known as stobulus. Okay. And in procedure, what we have to do, we have to examine the permanent slide of longitudinal section of Equisetum cone under the microscope, and we have to observe keenly and we have to write what we saw in the microscope. Okay. In observation, we have to write the longitudinal section of Equisetum stobulus or cone that shows centrally located axis and whorls of the sporangiophores. Okay, and there is a calyx-like whorl at the base of the cone which is known as annulus. The attachment of the sporangiophores, sporangio means sporangia producing, phore means stalk-like structure. Okay, the attachment of sporangiophores to the cone axis shows right angle to its stalk. Okay. Next, the disc of which the sporangia are attached. It is a disc-like structure. The disc to which the sporangia are attached is polygonal in shape. The stalk and the disc together resemble the capital alphabet, that is capital T, that looks like a capital T. Okay. The disc of sporangiophores fit closely to form a protective envelope for the sporangia on lower side. The sporangia are elongated sac-like structures. Sporangia means spore producing bag-like structures. Okay. The sporangia are elongated, that are sac-like or bag-like structures that consist of numerous spores, many spores. Okay. The sporangia protected with single layered jacket or jacket layer. Okay, next. This is the longitudinal section of the genus Equisetum. See to the right side, cone axis at the center, and sporangia and spores, sporangia that consist of spores, and the sporangiophores are shown here. It has a stalk-like structure and upper part peltate disc-like structure is shown. Okay. This is the figure of longitudinal section of the genus Equisetum. This is all about practical of longitudinal section of cone of Equisetum.